All right, we're at Sightseer Marine with Carl. This is the boat factory. Let's see what we got here. What are they doing here, Carl?
We're making panels here for our sidewalls. We take the aluminum frame, we take the styrofoam core, we vacuum laminate those together using moisture activated urethane, and then we route them and finish off the panel.
Got it.
This is a foam core. It's cut to our dimension. Putting in here, we're going to bond the aluminum skin with moisture activated urethane. That'll make a solid bond. From there, we'll put the foam on. We'll cut another piece, and over on a laminating table, we'll laminate those together. This is a panel that's going to be routed now. We have an edge. We'll trim all this off. Cargo's here yesterday. We built U.S. Coast Guard inspected passenger vessels, small T-boats.
These things are awesome. Look at these things, man.
And 5-foot hull sections. Each section is sealed with its own vent and that inspection board. And it's going to be going to Houston, Texas. And that. From here, it goes outside. We'll put our cross members on, put a deck on, and put the railing system that you saw over there.
One of these little pontoons. This is a Fiesta, isn't it?
Yeah, this is Fiesta. This is our recreational product line. We start at 12 and go up to a 26-foot, 2-foot increment and that. These are all custom built as well. Okay, this is the subject boat we're dealing with today. This is a 45 by 12 going to a Sarasota high school. Their aqua sport division, their school. They take students out and throw a trawl net and bring up living creatures in the ocean, and they look at them, inspect them, and learn all about them.
Oh, these Sightseer boats are awesome. Check this out. So this is like a really big pontoon boat. They're going to use it for research at a local high school. We're going to make the enclosure for it. We're going to use 40 gauge with the marine polish rolled clear. We're going to use Banyan white material for here. It's going to be awesome. I'm telling you. Oh, this thing's so cool. Look what they do with this top. They take the steel stitch like we do on the awnings, and they just staple it right on there. What a sturdy, nice top they got here.